this video, I'll show you how to sync Google Drive. All right, as you can see here, I'm going to open up my Google Drive right here on my taskbar. All right, so basically let's right click on it and this page will open. So what we're going to do here is just click on the gear icon or the cogwheel right here at the top right. Now go ahead over to preferences. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to go to my computer right here. All right, as you can see here, it says folders from your computer. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and add a folder. So let's create a new folder right here, right over the desktop, which is right here. All right. And new folder. All right. So basically, let's rename it for G Drive. It's up to you, whatever name you wanted to put in here. So I'm just going to click on it and hit on select folder. And it says here we have two options. Okay. Number one, sync with Google Drive. It says here, upload all files and folders, including photos and videos. If you edit or remove files, those changes will be automatically synced. So basically, when you edit something on what's inside this particular folder, for example, a document, when you edit something on that particular document, it will be synced right here in your Google Drive web or in your mobile version as well. All right. So here, the second option, it will only upload your photos and videos. All right. If you remove files, those changes won't be automatically synced. So basically this one is the best. All right. If you want all of your files be synced on your G Drive. Now let's go ahead and hit on done right here. And as you can see, 4G Drive has been created. So let's just go ahead and hit on save and wait for it right here. I can open it up. I want to close this one. Let's say I'm going to put a dummy file right here. I'm going to hit on new right here. New text document. And as you can see here, there's a logo. All right. This means it is currently synced on your Google Drive web or mobile. Now I'm going to click on it and I'm going to type in something like, please subscribe. Please do subscribe. All right. Now, as you can see, it is syncing. And when we check on our G Drive right here, as you can see, upload is queued. So basically, let's just wait for it. And it says here, everything is up to date. And this new text document has been synced as well. Now, when we go to check it out on this web version, I'm going to refresh it. I'm going to go ahead over to computers, click on it, my computer, double click. And as you can see here, we have a 4G Drive folder right here, 4G Drive. I'm going to double click on it and we have the new text document right here. And in here, we have the new text document. All right. This is the web version and this is from your computer. I'm going to double click on this text and let's see what's inside. As you can see here, it says, please subscribe. That's basically how you do it. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.